time, we discuss the plethora of talented young Jamaican athletes who disappoint after promising so much as juniors and as super performers at boys and girls champs. Well, we're going to change the script and look at former Edwin Allen sprinter Brian Lavelle. He ran at champs up to 2023, and within 2 years, at 21 years old, he's already a national champion at 200 meters and an Olympic semi-finalist in the 200 meters. And at the Racers Grand Prix over the weekend, in a race that was supposed to be a welcome back event for Christopher Taylor, Lavelle stole the show with a blistering 19.79 win aided to spoil Taylor's party. As we speak, Brian Lavelle is matriculating and matriculating fast. And unlike other young athletes at 21 who would be showing mere potential, Lavelle has moved rapidly from one for the future to quite possibly one for right now. Lavelle!